Didik TV KPM.
Okay, before I proceed deeper, that is on prime and composite.
Okay.
So student out there, you must know about odd numbers and even numbers. Still remember our last class, our last lesson? So
Odd number and even number.
yes, Chris, can you tell what is odd number and even number?
Okay, even numbers can be divided with the number 2. Is that correct? That's
Yep,
the
yep.
even number. So 2, 4, 6,
8, 10, and it goes on.
so
Actually, it is multiples of 2.
Okay.
You're right. Okay.
That's even
and how about
numbers.
the odd numbers?
For odd numbers, 3, 1, 5, 7, 9. So these are odd numbers.
So the exclusion out from the even numbers, the exclusion are odd numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Why I ask the odd numbers and even numbers? Because when we come to prime and composite, you will learn that odd and even also. Okay.
Oh,
So
all right.
shall we explore?
Yes, let's
Okay.
explore, teacher.
Okay. So numbers, Chris, can divide into 2. Okay. Initially, they are called as natural numbers. Okay. Natural numbers can divide into 2. Before that, what are the natural numbers? Okay. The set of numbers from 1, 2, 3, as you said just now,
Okay.
and up to the infinity.
Yeah.
So are called as natural numbers. Okay. So from the natural numbers, the numbers we can divide it into prime and composite. Okay. So what are the prime numbers? Okay.
So this is what we're going to learn today, right, teacher?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. And how to get rid the prime numbers from the number set. Okay. Today our focus is from number 1 to 100 only, kids. Okay. So explore prime and composite. Prime numbers are natural numbers. As I said just now, all the numbers are natural numbers that have only 2 factors. Okay.
2
Here you have
okay.
to bear in your mind that is only 1 and the number itself.
Okay.
Okay, Chris?
Yep.
Can you understand?
Teacher, but
Again, I
what is a
repeat.
factor, teacher?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I should ask you that. Okay.
Oh,
What is a
okay.
factor?
Okay.
Do you know what is factor?
If I'm not mistaken, a factor is the number that is used to multiply to get that total number.
Almost right. Okay.
Almost right, okay.
Factors are 2 numbers
Okay.
that contribute to a product. So that means you times the 2 numbers to get a new number. So that
Okay.
are factors. Okay.
Understand.
For prime numbers, it only have 2 factors. Okay. What are the 2 factors? Only itself, the number itself, and only 1.
1.
Can you tell some example on that?
So for example, 15 we cannot. 15 we can have 1 and 15 or 3 and 15 as a
3
factor.
and 5.
3 and 5, sorry.
You
So
multiply 3 and
3 and
5,
5,
you get 15. At the same time, you times 1 with 15,
15,
also
you
you get
get
15. So how many factors are there already?
there are already 4 factors, teacher.
Okay, you are in an advanced level already. Okay.
Okay, so that
I'm
one is
happy
not
with
that
you.
is not
Okay.
a prime number,
Yeah.
right, teacher? So prime number is only they have only 2 factors. Wow, I think 3, teacher.
3. Why? Can you justify that?
Because 3 has only 2 factors, which is 1 and 3.
Yeah, you are right. Absolutely right now. Okay, let's look at the examples here. Okay,
Sure.
you can see the number and the factors. Okay, the left side is the factors, right side. Okay, number 3. The first one is number 3. What are the factors for number 3? As what Chris said just now, 1 and 3. So if you times 1 and 3, only you can get 3. No other numbers else. Okay. So number 5, 1 and 5. Number 11, 1 and 11. Number 17, 1 and 17. How about 29, Chris?
1 and 29, teacher.
37.
1 times 37.
83.
1 and 83.
So these numbers can categorize or can name as prime numbers.
Okay.
Are you clear now?
Clear, teacher.
Okay. So just now you mentioned about 15, right? So
Yes.
if one is prime, what about the other? I've mentioned that earlier.
Prime.
All that
that is not
natural
prime.
numbers
Yeah.
can categorize into prime, and the other one is?
Composite numbers, teacher.
Yes, as what you said, non-primes. Okay?
Non-primes, okay.
So what are the composite numbers, kids, there? Okay, composite numbers are natural numbers. Okay, it's the natural numbers that have more than 2 factors, as what highlighted as Chris just now, 15, right? Okay, examples there: 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Why they all composite? Because they have more than 2 factors. Okay, what is composite? It's a new word today. What is composite?
Composite, teacher. I'm not too sure, teacher. It's a mixture? I don't know.
Yes, it's a combination of
Combination.
things, right?
Okay.
Okay, in numbers, we have more than two factors. So it's combined with numbers, okay, to get the factors for the composite numbers. Apart of that, can you say other example?
From, 24, teacher. 24 is a composite number.
Okay, because?
Because the factors are 1 times 1 and 24, that's one set. 6, 4, 8, 3,
Wow,
that's already
that's
6 factors already
yes,
there.
okay, so
Yeah.
it is known as the composite
number.
Okay, have a look here. Okay, there is a example of 6. Okay, 6 we have 1 times 6, 3 times 2, or 2 times 3, or 6 times 1. So it has 4 factors there, right?
Yes.
So 6 is a composite number. Okay. Now another example here, factors of 20. So we have
1
times
20. We also have 5 times 4. Why
yes,
is there
5 times 4. Actually, 4 is missing there.
Oh, 4 is missing. Okay, 5
5
times
times
4.
4.
10 times 2.
Yep.
So these are factors of 20.
Yes. So 20 is?
A composite number, teacher.
Yes. Okay, you are right. Okay. So we move on.
Okay.
Okay. Remember, okay, we are learning prime and composite number. Okay. You have to remember, number 1 is neither prime or composite. Because why?
Because it has only one factor.
It is?
Because it is...
It is what? You said only one factor. So what's the number? Its number is only 1.
1.
Okay.
Right.
So that's why we tell that as the we not categorize number 1 as a prime or composite.
Okay.
Neither prime or composite. Okay. How about number 2? Number 2 is the smallest and the only even prime numbers. Chris, you must know here. Okay. The prime numbers are usually from odd numbers. That's why initially I recall the odd and even numbers. Okay, students out there, you must know what is odd and even number. So 2 is the even number. So in prime numbers, 2 is the only even prime numbers, and that is the smallest prime numbers. Okay, you got it? Okay.
Got it.
And apart of that, other prime numbers are odd numbers. So is that all the odd numbers are prime numbers, Chris? Am I confusing you?
No, teacher. I'm also asking the same question. Does that mean that all odd numbers are prime numbers and all even numbers are composite numbers?
Okay. About the even numbers, I already mentioned here.
Yeah.
Only 2 is the even number.
Okay.
Even prime number. Only 1. That is
Only
2, and
one.
it is the smallest value. Okay.
Okay.
When it comes to the odd number, students out there and also Chris, not all the odd numbers are prime numbers. Okay. Because as what I mentioned just now, prime numbers only have 2 factors, whereby the number itself and 1. Okay. Later we will have a look at examples. Okay. And then number 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Just now the 2 is the smallest even number, and number 3 is the smallest prime numbers.
All right.
Okay. So do you remember the 3 methods that I mentioned earlier?
Yes. Okay. The first one was the factorization method, or factorization. The sieve of... I always can't get his name. Eratosthenes, and lastly is linear equation.
Yes,
Okay.
we have to what say about this person, the Greek world famous mathematicians who created this method, sieve of Eratosthenes, because it comes under his name itself. It is the fun and easy way to find the prime numbers.
Okay.
The first method invented to find the prime numbers 1 to 100.
Wow.
So all the fame goes to that person. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why the method is named under his name. Okay. And shall we?
All right. Let's try, teacher.
Okay. First one is the factorization, right? Okay. I
Okay.
give you number 16. Okay. Can you list down all the factors for 16? Yes.
So I just write it around the number?
Yeah, can. Yeah.
Okay. So there'll be 1, 16.
16. 1 and 16 itself. Okay.
Yeah, 1 and 16. And then...
Can we say it is a prime number? Because it has 1 and the number itself.
But not yet, teacher.
Yeah.
Because we are still exploring other factors.
Is there any other factors for 16?
There is 8 and 2, teacher.
Amazing. Any other factors?
Yes. We have 4 and 4.
Okay, only 1 4. So the factors for 16 is? Factors for 16 are?
1, 4, 8, 16 and 2. So this is already more than 2 factors, which means it's a composite number, teacher.
Okay. I give the bigger number now, 17.
Oh, okay. Maybe my friends can help me as well. 17. What are the factors of 17? Okay.
They say it's easy as busy like that.
They're
Yes.
saying it's so easy.
Yes.
Mr. Chris, okay.
Just
so,
having a cake, piece of cake.
So one factor is 1 and the other one is 17.
Yes, for 17, without thinking much, we can tell that only 1 and 17. So when we have 1 and 17, 2 factors, so it is a
It's a prime number.
prime number. We have more than 2 factors.
It is a composite number.
Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, now that is the method of factorization. Next, we move to sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay. So here we have 1 to 50. Okay.
Yes.
What Eratosthenes said is we cross out number 1. Because why?
Because it's not a prime number or
neither
composite number.
composite or prime, because it has only one factor. Okay. Then I circle the second one. As what we discussed just now, 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, after you circle this, you have to cross out all the multiples of 2.
Okay.
Okay, what are they?
Cross out the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 24, 34, 44.
Because what? I say just now what? The prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay, so we cross out all the even numbers here, multiples of 2. Okay, so done. Third one, we have 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, as you said just now, 3 is
also
a prime number, and it is the smallest odd prime numbers.
Okay.
So we cross out all the multiples of 3 here.
Oh.
What else?
9, 21, 15, 21, 3 times 6. Okay.
This one.
39.
And then?
3 times...
This one. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we move to second one, already cross up. Okay, now we have 5. Is that 5 is a prime number?
Yes.
Yes. Now we are going to cross out all the multiples of 5. Okay, kids out there, this is the hint. To find the multiples of 5, you must see the last digit, either 5 or 0.
Oh,
so that's the multiples of 5. So all the 5, 5, 5, the
digit,
0,
right?
cross out. Yes, the last digit. Okay, 35. Very quick one, right? That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So we move to the next number. 6 is already an even number. And then we circle the 7. 7 is a prime number. Now you cross out all the multiples of 7.
Okay. So 7 times 2, 14 already. Okay, 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. 35, 49.
Yes. Okay. Now we move to 11. So what number you are going to cross out here?
All the multiples of 11.
11, yes.
So 22.
Where's the 22?
Already crossed out. 33.
33.
44.
44.
Okay. So all already crossed out,
yes.
teacher.
Okay. Next we move to 13.
13 times 2 is 20,
already crossed
26
out.
Already crossed out.
Okay, and then?
13 times 3 is 39?
Yes, 39.
Okay, already crossed
out.
13 times 4? Already crossed out. 52.
It's more than 50.
Okay.
So, after that, we have 17, we have 19, we have 29, we have 31, we have 37, 41, 47. So, all these are?
Teacher, 23 and 43?
Yeah, I miss it out.
Okay. Oh, looks like I'm paying
They're
attention.
helping me. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So, all these numbers are?
Prime numbers.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So, this is
check
the
again,
method
2,
of
3,
sieve
5,
of
7,
Eratosthenes.
11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Okay, so it's right. All these are prime numbers, and as what you said just now, this is the
sieve of Eratosthenes method.
Yes, okay. So yeah, I just done up to 50.
Okay.
Shall you do from 51 to 100?
Okay. So I can.
First, I give you, I help you. You cross out all the multiples of 2. It will be easy for you.
Okay, all the multiples of 2.
Yes.
52 is a multiple of 2, right? All the even numbers.
Yes. 52, 54.
Let me cross out all the even numbers first.
Yes.
82, 92, 94,
All the fours,
All the fours, huh?
all the six. Okay,
All
the
the
numbers
six.
end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. All are
Okay.
even numbers, right?
All right. Okay, teacher.
Next, you can move on.
Okay, next.
5.
The multiples of
5.
five.
What
Okay.
I say just now, you find 5 and 0. That will help you
Okay.
to cross out the multiples of 5.
Okay, all the 5 is here. And the 0, any 0? Okay, no more 0 already,
No.
teacher.
And then what else you can cross out?
Okay, next we have to cross out the multiples of 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I feel like I need a calculator for this. Okay.
So here becomes the mental arithmetic, okay?
Okay.
The basic fundamental of arithmetic.
Okay.
Okay, 51. Okay, you can cross out all the composite
57.
numbers.
Cross out the composite
Yes,
numbers.
yes.
Huh? Okay.
To get rid the prime numbers.
53. There's a lot of math going on in my
77
brain.
is
77
multiples of
is a composite.
11. Yes.
Yeah.
That 169 have factors of 3.
Yeah. Okay,
And
99, 93, 81, 91. Okay, I think I've crossed out.
Now you circle all the prime numbers.
Okay, 53, 59, 67, 61, 71, 73, 83,
Wow, very fast.
79.
I hope students out there also
89.
can do as fast as our host today. How about 87? It's missing there.
87. Is it a? Wait, I'm just wondering of the factors.
Just find the factors of 87.
Yeah, I think don't have, teacher.
So
Yeah, sure,
it is
should.
a prime number.
Prime number.
Okay. So make sure, Chris, 53. It has only 2 factors. 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 87, 89 and 97. So can you tell me how many prime numbers from number 1 to 100?
Many numbers, teacher. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we have to count.
Yes.
So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3,
So
4,
Chris,
5,
it's
6.
altogether 25.
25.
Okay, 25 prime numbers from number 1 to number 100. Okay, so we
Alright.
already look at 2 methods here. One is factorization. Okay, if only 2 factors, that is prime numbers. If more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. And then second one is the sieve of Eratosthenes.
Yeah.
Okay, as what the wise man said. Okay, you can get rid all the prime numbers from the 1 to 100. Okay.
Okay.
Linear equation 6n minus 1 and 6n plus 1 is which number fulfill that linear equation? It is a
Okay.
it is a prime numbers, but it is to
It's more advanced level, teacher.
to identify greater numbers.
Okay.
Yes.
So, teacher, how did I do today, teacher? Like, is there
It's
any reward for me?
You are very faster grasping. Okay.
Okay.
You are a very good student.
Yeah.
Okay.
Didik TV KPM